My dear brothers and sisters, the passage I just read to you is rather confusing, could be to some of us. It's all about calling people nicknames. I'm sure all of us have nicknames. I remember when I was a regent in Mapsa and then Loyola afterwards in Goa. There was a teacher in Radio Gores Bicholi. They kept for me a nickname. It's okay. It's all acceptable. Some of them are quite bad. Some of them, of course, were tolerable. We heard in the gospel passage some nicknames. John the Baptist to Jesus. And they may have a reason behind calling them nicknames. But what is behind those nicknames? Can you go a little bit further, deeper to say why the so-called Jews, the crowds, gave nicknames? John the Baptist, we'll look at him, his life. Simple man, lived a lot of time in the desert and wore such clothes and ate the fruit available there and did the work of baptizing people. And many people were changed. But for the good that John the Baptist was doing, they think he's out of mind because looking at his attire, they call him, okay, the person having a demon. The other side, we see Jesus. He's a simple person, have some friends around him, we call him apostles, goes around preaching, working miracles. And he has a lot of friends. Most of them are so-called sinners and collectors. He dines with them, like Matthew. What do they call him? Glutton. A friend of tax collectors. So what is the message that comes to us? When people do good to others, maybe out of jealousy, we give them nicknames. We want to pull them down. Because the good they do, we can't do. Or we could do, but our hearts are closed. We are hardened, I said. We don't like others to come up in society, in life, whatever field they may be. So we give them nicknames and spreading this all around. So that the message go around, this person or those person are so and so, let's not go with them. But then what are we really doing in a way? We are causing harm to ourselves, first of all. We can't accept our own limitations. Also causing harm to others in society because then we cannot grow together as a family. Maybe we could reflect and see, do we have nicknames? Are they good? Not so good? Or do you accept them? You get irritated when people call you so? Well, when I was in the region both in Margaon, Loyolas and in Mapsa, they had for my nickname. I can't tell you what it was. So also when I was in Bicholi, they said, when I was teaching there, I had a nickname, but staff themselves. It's okay, it's tolerable. So let's reflect and see, are we those people who don't like others to prosper with their hard work? Maybe you call them very holy people because of their lifestyle. They go to church and do good works. And those we cannot do, we don't want to do. So we ask God to give us the grace that we appreciate the good around us and help to build a good community so that we are in a way building here on earth God's kingdom.